Oh no. I got my camera this morning and it was like, no batteries. I was like, oh, time to stop. What's she doing?
I can flip like that.
Miss Leslie's class is coming, so we got dance today. Get out here. Jacob, you're too far.
Aww. Is she coming?
Yeah.
What are y'all doing, Jeremy? Jeremy.
It's gonna take a while. Oh, Jacob went too far again. I told him after they got done with it.
Look what I got.
Wow, you got a dandelion. That's beautiful. Here, do you want to hold on to it?
If you go down to the bench again, you get time out.
Or do you want me to hold on to it?
All right, guys, shake your hands. Shake them. Wake them up. Say, wake up your hands. Come
You want
on,
me
wake up.
to? Okay.